Welcome back to another video of analysis of the trading day. So today it is one of the most difficult type of days that I can face because I told you yesterday that my bias um is long, is bullish. So when this happens, this run right here to the downside with that energy, with that strength, um, it is a good idea to take shorts here, especially if you take a low like this one right here. I'm gonna show it to you. So if you take this low right here, then you can think about going long. If you see here in the 15-minute chart, we got the price rejected at that point, and then we cross this fair value gap. It act as a inversion fair value gap, and then price goes up. And so I couldn't take this trade because in my rules, what I have is that the movement should be at least in the 50%, like the pullback should be in the 50% of the previous movement. Let me show it to you. So if I take the Fibonacci and I show you this first movement to the upside and then this pullback, I'm not in the 50%, so that's why I didn't take the trade. But it is a good setup log. Now you can say, okay, so you can take the long again. Here I have this fair value gap that price closes above it, and then price touches it again, and then you can trade the long. But if you can see, this pullback to the upside is in the 50% of this movement right here to the downside. So to me, that's a risky trade. So right now, I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for price to get to this fair value gap or even go higher, and then try to take a short. So what I expect in the 1 minute chart is this. As you can see, we took this relative equal highs here, this buy side liquidity, then we pull back, and then we go up, and then we take this high. And for me to take a short at this point, I will need the price to create liquidity here, and then create a shift in market structure, and then try to go short to attack these levels, this one right here, or this one right here, this one right here, and also these relative equal lows. You can see that we have been taking buy side liquidity here, right? And now we are missing to take sell side liquidity in an important levels, right? Like this one right here or this one right here. So if I can get a short trade here, these levels will be my targets. So I'm gonna mark them so you can see them, and I will try to go short and put the target here in those levels. So that's the analysis for today. So let's see what happens next. Okay, so I entered the short around this level right here. And as you can see, we have a shift in market structure here, here, and I enter here a little bit too early, but it's okay. The stop is above these highs and target around here. Let me show you in my account. As you can see, the stop is here above the highs, and target is right here around this fair value gap right here. So let's see if I can get another leg of price to the downside. Okay, so another stop. As you can see, I got stopped out here at the very top. So I think my analysis needs to improve. Sometimes when you have this rally to the downside that is too long, maybe you need to wait for a retracement uh, a little bit higher. for example, to the 75%, or wait the price to reach this fair value gap right here, and there you can try to wait for the short setup. So yeah, another day with the stop, no problem. Then let's wait for the next day and try to do it better. So see you next time.